Hi everyone, I'm Gina from the Children's Museum of Green Bay, and today we are going to do a cool science experiment called the screaming balloon. For this experiment, you will need a balloon, a hex nut, which looks like this. It might be found in your parents' toolbox or workbench. If you don't have a hex nut though, you can also do this experiment with a regular penny. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna do mine with the hex nut. So first you're gonna take your hex nut or your penny and drop it inside your balloon. Make sure your balloon is a little bit of a bigger sized balloon. Then you're gonna blow your balloon up. To a good size, like that. Then tie your balloon off. All right, my hex nut is at the bottom of my balloon, as you can see there. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my balloon and I'm going to move it around in a circular motion to get my hex nut moving around. Let's try it out and see if you can hear anything kind of cool. Did you hear it screaming? Let's try again. Cool. Well, you know what happens when we do that? When we put our object inside the balloon and we move it around in a circular motion, something happens called centripetal force. And what that means is there is a force that is making the object move in a circular path. And that sound happens because of friction. Friction is what happens when our object rubs up against the side of the balloon, and that friction makes that sound. I'm gonna do it real close so that you can see it. As it runs out of energy from moving around, gravity brings it back down and it hits the bottom of the balloon. It's a really easy experiment. It's kind of fun to do and a pretty cool sound too. Thanks so much for joining us today. Play well, learn well, and be well. We'll see you next time. Bye.